you're a beginner to digital marketing and you want to make money as fast and easy as possible, you're in the right place. What I'm going to reveal to you is a simple and easy 3-step formula anyone can do without any followers, no previous experience, and no tech ability to start to generate consistent income from home. Before I dive into this very first step that anyone can do, there's going to be a link directly below. So at any point in this video, if you actually want to implement these 3 steps and have most of them done for you, you can go ahead and check out that resource right there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So if you don't know my story, I used to be a waiter and I had dropped out of college and I was slaving away, barely making ends meet. I was on my feet all day and the bills were piling up, and I started researching online on sites like Google and YouTube how to make money. And I tried a lot of different things. I tried network marketing, I tried drop shipping, I tried affiliate marketing. It wasn't until I stumbled across digital marketing that I realized the easiest way to make a consistent income. The reason is because digital marketing is a $1 billion a day industry. All the other businesses are starting to go online, so that's where the trend is. The very first step when you want to do digital marketing is you need to find a product to promote and sell. You're going to be able to make money when someone buys that product from you. Unlike network marketing and affiliate marketing, where typically you're going to give away a large portion of your commission to the upline or to the product creator, you're going to actually be able to keep 100% profit paid instantly into your bank account. And the way we're going to do this is using something called master resale rights. So what this is basically where you can find products online that you don't have to create yourself. And when you purchase those products, you also get the rights to resell those products as your own. What this allows you to do is literally get paid directly, so there's no middleman. So you get 100% profit and you get that money into whatever method you want, whether PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, etc. Now, these master resale right products are not that common. And again, like I said, I will include a link directly below to my #1 products that you can resell and even make up to $900 per commission. Now, the second step is we want to utilize something called a sales funnel. Now, what you want to understand is when you go to start to promote a product online, most people are not going to buy right away. Maybe only 1 out of 50 people see something in front of them, feel a strong urge, and decide to get started. Most people need to get followed up with. It could take on average about 7 to 12 exposures for someone to actually decide to buy a product. So instead of sending people directly to a website to buy and leaving a lot of money on the table, instead we're going to utilize something called a sales funnel. What we're going to do first is we're going to send someone to a page that collects their email address. This allows us to capture our prospects' information, and then we can literally utilize automation to follow up with people even while we're sleeping, because we can have automatic email messages going out 1 per day indefinitely, following up with people. And then inside of the email, we can include a link to our sales page, to the website that's actually going to get people to want to buy, get people to want to take action. When you just implement this specific strategy and you first capture someone's email and then you follow up with them through a software called an email autoresponder, you're going to dramatically increase the amount of money because you can convert way more people long term. This is what every top business is doing, and this is why even convenience stores often will ask you for your email or your phone number when you go to buy, because they want to follow up with you and try to sell things later. You want to implement a sales funnel. Now, again, at the link below, you're going to actually be able to get access to a done-for-you, incredibly high converting sales funnel that actually converts at about 1 out of 20 people. Meaning if you just get 20 people putting their email into your website, typically on average, 1 person is going to buy. So I do want to share with you that resource, but either way, you want to be leveraging the power of automation and you want to be leveraging a sales funnel. Now, last but not least, once we have the products that's 100% profit, and then we have a sales funnel in place that will do all the selling, telling, and following up for us, the last step is actually getting people to discover our capture page. This is the only thing you need to do in about an hour to a day to start to make consistent sales. Now, I recommend 2 main strategies to get people to go to your link. The beautiful thing is both of these strategies are free, organic traffic methods that anyone can do starting from zero. #1 is posting free advertisements online. So there's different sites online where you can actually go there and you can post advertisements for free. And what happens is when someone's interested in those ads, they're going to respond. They're going to ask you for more information. And then all you have to do is send them the link to your capture page. And when they put their email in, everything else is on autopilot. The second strategy to start to generate traffic without having any rejection at all, by the way, is posting 2 to 3 pieces of content per day on social media. You can actually go to sites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and you can start to post content on there that's going to attract your ideal perfect customer to you. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to annoy anyone. You can literally just post content that's going to be speaking to the pain of your ideal customers, and this will start to attract people to you that are interested in learning more. And when they actually comment on your post, you can just send them the link to your capture page. Just using those two strategies in about an hour to a day, you can get a consistent flow of leads flooding into your sales funnel, following up on autopilot, and then literally converting into 100% profit into your bank account. Now, there we have it, my friend. Those are the 3 simple steps. Now, I will say if you try to do this on your own, it is going to be a lot harder because you're going to have to learn how to set up a sales funnel. You're going to have to do a lot of trial and error to find the best product for you, and you're going to have to do a lot of testing and understand how to post content and ads online. If you're watching this, I encourage you to go to the link directly below because I'll actually share with you how you can get access to done for you 100% profit products, as well as an incredibly high converting system and sales funnel that will do all the follow-up for you, as well as training and even templates to learn how to post ads and content in about 1 or 2 hours a day. Other than that, my friend, I really hope you got value in this video. Be sure to like this video if you did enjoy it. Also subscribe with the bell icon because I'm going to be going more in depth under those 2 strategies on how to get a massive amount of traffic and clicks to your link in a future video, and you don't want to miss out on that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.